Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the exciting news from the Mercedes as they bring their advanced automated parking technology to the electric EQE in Germany. So here's the scoop. This technology known as Intelligent Park Pilot lets your car park itself without a driver in certain parking garages. Cool, right? Here's how it works. First, you book a parking spot in a compatible garage using your smartphone. When you arrive, you simply step out of your EQE and like a magic, it goes off on its own to find a spot. No more circling around, no need to interact with the valet. Your EQE handles it all, and when you are ready to leave, you can summon your car back to you. It will meet you right at the entrance, and how convenient is that? Mercedes call this level 4 autonomous technology. It means your car can park itself without you being nearby. But here's the catch. The parking garage needs special sensors from the Bosch for this to work. These special sensors play a vital role in guiding your EQE safely into its parking spot. Now, the EQE is joining the club. It's the latest Mercedes model to get this smart tech, and they are not stopping there. Coming soon, the new E-Class and other models will also have the intelligent park pilot feature. Mercedes is truly paving the way in automated parking. They were the first to get approval for this tech in Germany. But wait, there's more. Even if you are driving or outside the car, you can use Mercedes Parking Assistant tech to make parking a breeze. From parking duties while you are behind the wheel to monitoring the task with your smartphone, Mercedes has covered you all. So, whether you are driving the all-electric EQE or other Mercedes models, parking just got a whole lot smarter. Just stay tuned for the future of driving technology with Mercedes-Benz, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting updates. We will catch you in another video. Till then, just drive safe and stay safe.